this tutorial, we're going to be looking at custom profiles. We'll start by creating a sketch. Right-click, front plane, insert sketch. Let's activate the rectangle tool. Create a rectangle. Right-click and select. Now let's create a center line. Right-click, select. Let's shift-select the center line. And the origin point, we'll add a midpoint relationship and click OK. Now let's apply some dimensions. 40 here. This one will be 20. Next, let's use the Sketch Fillet tool. We'll enter a 5 mm radius, tab, and let's apply the fillet to all 4 corners. OK. Next, I'll use the Offset tool. I'll offset it by 2 mm. Add Dimension checkbox, let's check it. Select Chain. Reverse Direction. We'll also check these as well. OK. Lastly, I want 4 piercing points for this profile. They're going to be here, 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 and here. OK, and exit the sketch. Now let's right-click on Annotations and select Show Feature Dimensions. Next, let's go to the File menu, Properties, and select the Custom tab. Under Property Name, we'll select Description. The type will be text. The value, let's enter Profile. Next, I'll select this dimension and enter X. Select this dimension, enter X again. Last one, select this dimension. Let's check now how it looks under the Evaluated Value column and click OK. Next, I'll select the sketch I just created. Click Save. We're going to save it as a library file in the Weldments Profiles folder. The full path is under SolidWorks, Data. I'll choose the ISO standard folder, and let's create a new folder to put this in. We'll call it My Profiles. Double-click to open it. Under the Save As Type, I'm going to choose Library Feature part. I'll enter an understandable file name, 40 by 20 by 2, and then I'll click Save. Now let's create a new part document and see how our profile works. Select the top plane, Sketch, choose the Line tool, create 2 lines, right-click, select, Smart Dimension them, 100 by 100 millimeters. Again, click OK and exit the sketch. Let's activate the Weldments toolbar, the Structural Member tool. Standard will have ISO, and here under Type, we see our new folder, My Profiles. Inside that folder is the profile I just created. Let's click this line and this line. OK. Let's check the piercing points. I'll select this point and click OK. And this concludes our tutorial on creating custom profiles.